hold tight, hold tight. Because again, we don't know what size they are. We have to be careful when we open them up. So we make sure that we just don't. See how tiny those are?
Those are little.
Yeah,
Wait, what are those?
That's eggplant.
Really?
Eggplant.
I'm gonna cut these sweet potatoes. As you said, put them in dice.
Yeah, just in a slab.
Those are really tiny.
You just cut them, lengthwise in the slab, then cut them stripwise, and then
dice them up.
Yeah, dice them up. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
That's really tiny.
Okay, those are small too. Okay, so we're gonna do again. So those are what again now? Turnips. Okay. So what we have? We had what's in here?
Oregano.
Oregano.
Oregano,
right in there.
basil.
So we're gonna do, and those I keep. Those are the turnips. Okay. We might have room for a couple more things just for variety. Okay, let's put the turnips right in here because they're so small. Again,
Just like that.
they don't require a lot of covering over. Does that make sense? Let's just have an imaginary, like from there over are going to be the greens. From there over. Over here will be something else we'll pick out. So right there. Now, if y'all remember all this stuff now, hope y'all remember where everything was at. Okay, Mama got it. Mama got it.
Basil, oregano.
Okay, so what we're going to do, you got this imaginary space here, right? I'm going to give you in your palm some seeds again. What you're going to do is have one in the palm, some in the palm, pinch some, and pinch them around like that, and then just mash the soil down. Does that make sense? Okay. I mean, if you do the other one, the eggplant. Let's see what you got there. Okay.
Those are the turnip ones?
Yeah, those are turnip. Okay, now, so here's your measuring line. Just sprinkle them out and spread them out as best you can, all around through there.
So I'm doing the eggplant.
Yep.
Wow, there's 50 seeds per pack.
Right.
That's a lot.
Let's see what's in here. Okay, that's eggplant. Where's the eggplant going to go? It's going to go in here. Okay, we're going to have
going
like
down?
an imaginary line, and let's put them right here. Okay.
Okay.
So his imaginary line, you're going to put them all in here. That make sense? Okay.
So we're not actually going to make a line?
Now with yours, you're a little bit bigger, and we might have to see where they are and put some dirt over. Because yours are a little bit bigger. Because everything's different with the seeds. You got to look at them a little differently.
Bugs keep flying in my
Oh, we're
ears.
going to do here in 1 minute. We'll put these in. We can do some more tomorrow. Okay, looks pretty good there. Okay, so spread those out. There you go. There you go.
So then do I pat it down?
Let me see what we got. So with yours, again, because they're a little bit bigger, what I would do is take a little bit of, like that, a little bit of dirt like that, right? Put it on top, pat it down, a little bit of dirt like that, put it on, pat it down. Yeah, there you go. And just kind of cover them up.
Wait a minute, is that one of the seeds?
It might be. That's fine. It's covered over, and you got some back here. Okay, so what we can do now, since it's dark and the bugs are out more, what we can do now, we can come out tomorrow and do some more. What we should do next, before we go in, is what?
Water them.
Water them, exactly. So let's get some, a container that we can use to water them, that it won't disturb the soil a whole lot.